What if I told you, you don't need to pick the next apple, you don't need to time the market, and you definitely don't need to trade every day to become a millionaire? In fact, some of the wealthiest everyday investors built their fortunes using just 3 simple ETFs. Today, we're breaking down VOO, SCHD, and VGT, 3 funds that have quietly created more millionaires than most individual stocks ever will. And the best part? They're simple, powerful, and accessible to almost anyone. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's get into it. Why ETFs create millionaires? Before we jump into the 3 ETFs, let's talk about why ETFs are so powerful. Most people fail at investing for 3 reasons. They chase hype, they panic during downturns, they don't stay consistent. ETFs solve all 3. They give you instant diversification, lower risk compared to single stocks, automatic exposure to winning companies instead of betting on one company. You're owning dozens, or even hundreds, of them. And over time, that consistency is what builds real wealth. ETF number 1, VOO. Let's start with the foundation, VOO. VOO tracks the S&P 500, meaning it invests in the 500 largest companies in the United States. We're talking about giants like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. So when you buy VOO, you're essentially buying the entire US economy. Here's why VOO creates millionaires. First, historical returns. The S&P 500 has averaged about 10% annually over the long term. That means if you invested $500 per month, you could potentially reach over $1 million in about 30 years. Second, simplicity. No stock picking. No guessing. Just steady growth. Third, low fees. VOO has an extremely low expense ratio, meaning you keep more of your money. VOO is the set it and forget it ETF. ETF number 2, SCHD. Next up, SCHD, the income powerhouse. SCHD focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies. This includes businesses with strong cash flow, consistent dividend growth, financial stability. So instead of just growth, you're getting paid to hold your investments. Here's why SCHD stands out. 1. Passive income. You earn dividends quarterly, which can be reinvested to accelerate growth. 2. Stability. Dividend companies tend to be more mature and less volatile. 3. Compounding magic. Reinvested dividends can dramatically increase long-term returns. In many cases, investors who consistently reinvest SCHD dividends end up building wealth faster than they expect. This is how portfolios quietly snowball into 7 figures. ETF number 3, VGT. Now let's talk about growth. VGT. VGT is a technology-focused ETF. It heavily invests in companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Visa. These are companies driving innovation and dominating the modern economy. Why VGT creates millionaires? 1. High growth potential. Tech has been one of the best performing sectors for decades. 2. Future-focused AI. cloud computing, digital payments, VGT is positioned right in the middle of it all. 3. Strong compounding returns. Historically, tech ETFs have outperformed the broader market. But there's a trade-off: VGT can be more volatile. That means bigger ups, but also bigger downs. The perfect combination. Here's where things get really interesting. Individually, these ETFs are powerful. But together, they create a balanced wealth-building machine. A simple allocation could look like 50% VOO, core stability, 25% SCHD, income plus dividends, 25% VGT, growth. This gives you broad market exposure, passive income, high growth potential. It's diversification without complexity. And this is exactly how many investors quietly build wealth over decades. How millionaires actually use these. The real secret isn't just what they invest in, it's how they invest. Millionaire investors using ETFs typically invest consistently, every month, reinvest dividends, ignore short-term market noise, hold for decades, no panic selling. No chasing trends. Just discipline and time. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always do your own research and consider speaking with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So, can these 3 ETFs make you a millionaire? Not overnight. But over time. Absolutely. VOO gives you the market. SCHD pays you to stay invested. VGT fuels your growth. Simple. Proven. Effective. If you stay consistent, the results can be life-changing.